Hello and welcome back to SEO Crash Course for WordPress users. This video is about the WordPress SEO by Yoast plugin, and it allows you to manage most SEO aspects of your WordPress site. For starters, let's install the plugin. If it's not your first time installing a WordPress plugin, you should know the drill. While in your WordPress dashboard, just go to Plugins and select Add New. Type in WordPress SEO by Yoast and hit the Search Plugins button. Found the plugin, just click the Install Now link. You should have a pop-up window now that double checks if you really want to install the plugin. Just click OK. Now click the Activate Plugin link. The plugin has been installed and you can start using it. Having installed your copy of WordPress SEO by Yoast, you'll see a message that offers to allow tracking anonymous usage stats. It's okay to allow that, so you can just click the Allow Tracking button. Thing is, the WordPress SEO by Yoast plugin is super feature-rich, but you just need to know how to configure the most crucial aspects. The rest has been taken care of, for the most part. Go to your WordPress dashboard and expand the SEO menu drop-down that should appear after installing the plugin. Now select Dashboard. As a matter of fact, you can just take a tour that the plugin offers right after installation. Since you can do it on your own, I'm not going to dwell on that. Instead, we'll go through the most important items. So I just close it. What totally should catch your eye is this message which says that you don't have your post name in the URL, and it actually has to do with setting up your permalinks. Since I'll explain how to do it in a totally separate video, we can just ignore it for now. I'm clicking the Ignore button. The first thing that you can see in the plugin settings is the option to reset everything as it was before you started configuring your WordPress SEO plugin. That's a foolproof feature that makes sense because even experienced SEOs can mess things up. Make sure to keep the Allow Tracking of this WordPress installs anonymous data checkbox ticked if you haven't done that in the tooltip that popped up before. And tick the Disable the advanced part of the WordPress SEO meta box if you don't want to give your blog authors too many permissions, such as redirecting posts, no indexing them, and so on. You actually want to do such things on your own. Also, you need to make sure that you specify your Google Analytics and Bing Webmaster Tools IDs over here. Okay, we're done here. Now let's go to the titles and meta section. Just click this option. This section has lots of tabs. We'll go through, again, the most important of them and modify some settings. In the General tab, you just need to make sure that the No Index of Pages of Archives option is ticked. That's because indexing such pages archives does not make any SEO sense. Now, the Home tab, Post Types, Taxonomies, Other, and Help are all about streaming the process of creating content on your site. They are not that crucial for SEO to an extent, so we'll just skip them and go directly to the Social section. Just click the Social option. This section contains Facebook Open Graph, Twitter Card, and Google Plus options that you'll learn about in a separate video in the course. For now, just go to the XML sitemaps option over here. Be sure to tick the Check this box to enable XML sitemap functionality checkbox to enable the XML sitemap functionality in your site. Your XML sitemap is basically an XML file that has links to all the pages and posts that you have on your site. And it's used by search engines so that they know which pages are on your site and which one appeared. And your WordPress SEO by Yoast plugin creates this XML sitemap automatically. you don't really have to worry that much about it. You just need to make sure that you set it up properly, and off you go. So you need to make sure that you tick the ping Yahoo and ping ask.com options, so that the services get notified every time the content is being published on your site. In the Exclude Post Types option, you may want to tick the Media checkbox if you don't want that post type to be included in your XML sitemap, as you can see here. In the Exclude Taxonomy section, tick Categories and Tags. That done, you can make it to the Permalink section. So click over here. Be sure to tick the first checkbox entitled Strip the Category Base from the category URL. Also, make sure to tick the Redirect Attachment URLs to a parent post URL, and go to the Internal Link section. This section offers you the option to use breadcrumbs on your site. If you want to use this feature, just tick the Enable Breadcrumbs checkbox and set up the functionality as you see fit. Having done so, you can go to the RSS section of the WordPress SEO by Yoast plugin. It's over here, so just click the option. This feature is used to automatically add content to your RSS. More specifically, it's meant to add links back to your blog and your blog posts. So DOM scrapers will automatically add links to, helping search engines identify you as the original source of the content. Basically, the default settings are good enough, and you can just move on to the next section entitled Import and Export. Just click here. This section allows you to import data from other SEO plugins that you used before installing WordPress SEO by Yoast. What's more, you can also export your SEO settings in case you just need a backup or you switch over to using another plugin. It's actually really neat because you will not have to set up your WordPress SEO plugin every time for a new project. You can just set it up once, then just click the Export Settings option. It'll export a file which you'll be able to use when you set up a brand new WordPress site and use the plugin for it. Now let's go to the Edit Files section. This section allows you to edit your htaccess file, but be careful with editing your htaccess file, because if you configure it improperly, your site can go down before you know it. I've personally been there. It's no fun at all. Plus, it's more reliable to edit your .htaccess file manually. Again, you should modify that file only if you know what you're doing. And as you can see here, in my case, since I'm testing it locally and I don't really have the files available on my server, I don't even have the option to modify them. But in your case, if you install it on a remote server, this option should be available. But again, you may just leave it as is, because it's very dangerous to do something wrong in those files, both in robots.txt and the htaccess file. Now you know how to install and configure your WordPress SEO by Yoast plugin. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Did you happen to make sure that your WordPress site is A-OK in terms of on-page and technical SEO? No? Thing is, if you did not properly take care of your WordPress SEO, your site will not rank as high as it could. Take my SEO crash course for WordPress users, and you'll be able to fix all your on-page and technical WordPress SEO issues, such as installing and configuring SEO plugins, robots.txt, XML sitemaps, using synonyms, and image optimization, video SEO, permalinks, and the list goes on and on. This course allows you to put your WordPress SEO in order quickly and efficiently. Just click the button to learn more. Are you still there? Since you are, please like the video by clicking this like thumbs up option. Also, you can share this video on your favorite social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Google+, you name it. Other than that, you may want to comment, just like that. And if you want to be sure that you never miss out on my awesome vids, just subscribe to the channel by clicking this green button that says subscribe. It's gonna be so much fun.